Meaning of insensibility.
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 Insensibility. Insensibility refers to the state of being insensitive or unable to feel physical or emotional sensations. It can result from a variety of causes, including shock, drug use, anesthesia, or neurological disorders. A person in an insensible state may have a decreased level of consciousness, be unresponsive to stimuli, and show a lack of emotional expression. In some cases, insensibility may be temporary or reversible, while in others it may be permanent. Overall, insensibility deprives individuals of the ability to experience and respond to the world around them, which can have profound effects on their quality of life.